In this video, I'm going to show you reverse chain stitch. First thing we're going to do is make a tiny straight stitch, which here out I'm going to call a tacking stitch because we're going to use it to tack down our next stitch. Now when we make it, we're going to leave it a little loose just to get things rolling here. So we're going to come forward however long we want our stitch to be. And we're going to send our needle under that tacking stitch. And now we can go ahead and pull that tacking stitch more secure. Okay. And we're going to send our needle through the exact same hole that we came up through. And you see there, that looks like an individual lacy daisy, or like a chain link. So from here out, what we're doing is we're coming forward from underneath, come through your fabric, and then you're going to send your needle under the previous link in the chain. So we're going under both sides, and we're going back down the same hole, like so. Now if you're worried about your needle catching going under here, if you're having issues, I like to do this by leading with the eye of my needle. Showing you this version today because this is a beginner series on stitching, and I do believe that reverse chain stitch is easier than chain stitch. Once you've got the mechanics of this one, regular chain stitch shouldn't be a problem. But when you're first getting started, it can be a lot to learn all these stitches. And that's reverse chain stitch.
Find more embroidery resources at rosannadiggs.com.